guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate the love. So guys, as you can see by the title of today's video, I will be talking about how you can move to the UK to work as a health assistant. I know by now that a lot of us know that the UK government has introduced the health and care worker visa for those who want to relocate to the UK to work. And a lot of people have applied and some have been successful. So guys, in today's video, I'll just be telling you about all the things you need to do for you to move to the UK. So without talking too much, let's just dive down into today's video. You do not need any form of qualification, or you do not need any experience to actually, do this job. So I'm going to start by defining who a healthcare assistant is. A healthcare assistant is someone who normally assists a nurse in a care home or in a hospital to look after patients' personal care. And by personal care, I mean, washing them, taking their vitals, feeding them, dressing them up. Sometimes you can even give medication if you've been trained to do that. Communicate with them as well, change their diaper, because for some of them they use the adult diaper. So that is exactly what a healthcare assistant do here in the UK. So what are the things you need to do before you move to the UK? The very first thing you will need to do when you want to move to the UK is to get your passport ready. I know, but you'll say, no, you already know that you have to travel with your passport. No, you need to check your passport if it has not expired, and if it has, you need to renew it. Then the second thing is for your tuberculosis test. You need to get your tuberculosis test done, okay? Especially if you'll be coming into the UK and you spend more than 6 months here in the UK, you need to get that test done as well. Then the third thing is for you to get like a short training, just to have an idea of what a healthcare assistant does, okay? And for me, I would say I will advise you to just go to any hospital. Just tell them that you just want to train as a healthcare assistant. For some hospitals they might charge you, but for some they might just see it as a voluntary service, okay? Then another thing you also want to do, which is the fourth one, is to get your driving license ready, because for some agencies they normally require that you know how to drive, because some agencies you need to travel around to care for patients. And in the UK we call those kind of carers domiciliary carers. Yes, they don't stay in one place, they move from cities to city to do this personal care. And so I would advise that you get your driver's license ready, okay? Even if you're not going to use it, but just come prepared. Then the fifth thing is to get your police reports. Yes, you want to get a police clearance. That is to show that you don't have any criminal record, because don't forget that you're coming here to take care of the elderly people and children. So they want to be sure that you don't have any criminal record, you've not done anything bad before. And here in the UK they call those kind of reports DBS. DBS, yes, that's what they call it. So you want to get that ready as well. And another thing is to get your IELTS test done. Yes, this IELTS test is for English speaking country, okay? So you also want to get that as well. And then your CV, very, very important. Like I said in my last video, you want to sell yourself in that CV. Don't forget, you are not the only one applying for this position, so you must make your CV stand out, so that by the time they compare, yours will stand out. In fact, it will beat the rest. All right, so that's what I mean. Now we are going to go about the cost of this visa sponsorship. Please don't forget that the fact that they said they will sponsor you does not mean that it's free of charge. No, don't forget that these people are using their money to bring you from your country down to the UK. So while you're working, you'll be paying them. Yes, you'll be paying them. So I don't know how the agency will do it, but you'll be paying them. They might come up with a plan and discuss with you how best to pay them back, whatever suits you, or how best you both agree is how you will pay. And for me, I think by the time you calculate everything, you will be spending close to 4,000 pounds. Yes, because don't forget, they are not just bringing you, they'll be the one to train you, especially for the care certificate courses. They'll be the one to train you on that. So as you're working, that is where you also be paying them. And I feel they won't just collect everything at once. They'll be collecting it maybe small, 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 until you're able to pay everything. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned one or two things, because everything I've shared here are things that you will need when you want to, move to the UK to work as a healthcare assistant. So guys, this is where I come to the end of today's video. Please, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that when I upload a new video, you get to see it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.